This is what you do when it's raining on Saturday. You see the rain? There you go. This is my chimenea. Me being lazy. And you can see the rain. I got my La Prensa Libre here. I'm getting ready to read. Got my computer standing by when I get tired of my La Prensa Libre. Got my Guatemalan mug with my Guatemalan coffee. I don't know. Kind of like these rainy afternoons like this.